this dunning. Okay, dunning is a very very important, we can say, and very easy topic also. Uh, so what is the meaning of dunning? Dunning is a procedure. Dunning is a procedure. Don't write. First, I try to understand. Dunning is the procedure to create corresponding letters to customers based on the defined attributes in the dunning procedure. Okay, means a kind of, we can say, dunning is also a kind of we will say the notice to the customers who are delaying in the payment. Interest we will also calculate. A kind of notice will be sent from the company to the customer when customer will delay in the making the payment to the company. Okay, so
Okay.
how we will do? We need to define the dunning procedure in the system configuration. Ultimately, we want to business or company wants to send the dunning notice to the customers because they are delaying in the payment. Okay, so uh, in this, legal notice will also be sent. Okay, legal notice kind maybe means we will say a kind of means notice from the company side also, and we will say legal notice that customer will be informed if they will not clear the payment, then legal notice will be taken in the future. Like that, these things will be will be there. First, SAP has given a standard few things, so those we will configure. So how uh, our requirement, company requirement is to calculate interest and send notice to the customers so to clear the payment. Okay, otherwise legal action will be taken for the delay in the payment. So this is what dunning is and how dunning will be calculated. So depending upon the dunning procedure, so means few settings we need to do in the dunning procedure. Depending upon on that, dunning will be calculated. Okay,
Okay.
now see, uh, dunning levels means how many times we want to send notice to the customers. So that
Hmm.
we need to define in this, we need to configure in the system levels. So maximum 9 levels are there. 9 times maximum a company can send notice from the company to the customers. Okay, so in the interview they or very often it is asked what is the maximum dunning levels can be defined. So we need to say maximum dunning levels can be defined 9. Okay, so
Okay.
this one we need to tell maximum dunning level can be defined in SAP system, which is 9. Okay, and in my which I'm going to explain the scenario, I will keep dunning level as 4. Okay, dunning intervals means every 10 days. At least 4 levels I am going to define. I want to keep interval in 4 levels, 10 days. Okay, 10 days first level. After 10 days another dunning level, I will another notice we will send, and then next 10 days another notice will be sent. Like that, four intervals. Grace days means, grace days means, let's suppose invoice today's date only. Okay, 11/05/2024. So grace days means we will leave 3 days, means 12, 13, 14. On 15th, first dunning letter will be issued. Okay,
Okay.
15th
Okay.
05 2024. Okay, so 3 days grace will be given. We can do like, if you want to keep grace days 10 days, 20 days, which scenario which I am explaining, in that I will keep 3 days grace. But we can keep 10 days, 15 days also as per the requirement. So if 3 days, I'm defining grace days as 3 days. So on 15th, first dunning letter will be sent. Dunning notice will be sent. Okay, and dunning interest, we want to calculate the interest on which level, whether we want on first level, second level. I'm in my scenario, I want to calculate the dunning interest on third and fourth level. And dunning charges means petty charges, miscellaneous charges like printing charges, small charges, and those this courier charges. So those charges also will be calculated and will be considered and will be clubbed into dunning charges, because those charges also will be taken from the customer only, because of the uh, customer, since customer is not paid, so that is why it will be charged from the customer only. So this is what the dunning is. You guys please try to understand and let me know if any question you have regarding dunning.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so now there are only three configuration for dunning. First one is define dunning area. Okay, uh,
Hmm.
so dunning area we will define. Then we need to define the dunning procedure. In this dunning procedure, we will define dunning levels. What is the dunning interval days? What is the grace days? What is the dunning charges? When we want to calculate dunning interest, sorry, and dunning charges. So these all things will be configured in the dunning procedure. Okay, let this one, this one. Mm, okay, so now only three configurations are there: dunning area define dunning procedure, and define dunning interest. Only these three configuration we need to do in the system. Okay. So now please write down this one. I will share with you guys this the today's class, this notes. Please please write down the dunning definition. Define dunning definition. Please write down. Okay. Dunning is a
Yes.
procedure. Dunning is a procedure
Mm-hmm.
to create corresponding letters. Dunning is a procedure to create corresponding letters. Okay. Dunning is a procedure to create corresponding letters. Okay. To the customers. To the customers. Dunning is a procedure to create corresponding letters to the customers based on the to the customers. After that, based on the defined attributes in dunning procedure. Based on the defined attributes in dunning procedures.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, full
In
stop.
rapid process.
Based on the defined attributes in dunning procedure, full stop. Next, we can define different dunning procedures. We can define different dunning procedures. We can define different dunning procedures where we have different attributes. We can define different dunning procedures where we have different attributes, where we have different attributes for group. We can define different dunning procedures where we have different attributes, where we have different attributes for group of customers, for group of customers. Okay, so
Okay.
first one is give first configuration define dunning area. Please write down first configuration define dunning.
Over.
Yeah, first one, please write down define dunning area. First configuration define dunning area. Okay, please write down the path. Write down the path. SPRO, financial accounting new. SPRO,
Mm-hmm.
financial accounting new. AR and AP.
Mm-hmm.
After that, business transactions.
Okay.
Business transactions, Dunning.
Okay.
Basic
Okay.
settings for Dunning. Dunning, basic settings for Dunning. Define Dunning areas.
After business transactions, business area.
After after business transactions, Dunning.
Okay.
After Dunning, basic settings for Dunning. Okay, after basic settings of Dunning, then last define Dunning areas. Define Dunning areas. T code is OB61. OB61.
Okay.
Then click on that. Then you come inside to this configuration. Okay, click on new entries. Click new entries. Give company
Mm-hmm.
code. I will give my company code LI01. Give company code LI01. LI01. Dunning area I'm keeping at L1. I'm keeping it L2. And in text, Dilip
This
domestic.
area randomly taking.
Means like we are defining like according to our requirement. Let's suppose I'm defining this Dunning, this Dilip domestic customers and Dilip
Okay.
export customers. As per the requirement, we can define state-wise also. We can define as per the requirement a group of customers. So we can define state-wise also like that as per the requirement. I am defining as per the domestic and export. Okay,
Okay.
Dilip domestic customers L1 and Dilip export customers L2. Okay.
Okay.
So this one now save it. Save this one. Save in our TR. Now give next configuration. Give next configuration.
Dunning procedure.
Yeah. Define dunning procedure.
Same path.
Name path is different. Up to dunning same path as previous. Up to dunning same path as previous. Then dunning procedure. Then dunning procedure. And then define dunning procedure. FBMP. FBMP is the T code.
FPMP.
MPS. Facebook, Madhya Pradesh, MP. FBMP. Dunning procedure, then define dunning procedure. FBMP T code. Come to uh, this configuration. Okay. Now click on new procedure. You can see the screen also and write down also please. Click on new procedure. Click on new this one procedure. And then here naming convention alphanumeric you can give. So here I am giving Dilip L D E R. Dilip Dunning procedure for domestic customers. Okay. Dilip Dunning procedures for domestic customers. Okay. As per our plan, Excel plan. Okay, let me open this one. Let it be here only. So now see Dunning interval we want to keep 10 days, right? Dunning levels we want to keep 4, grace days 3, interest indicator will be here only. So Dunning interval in days 10 days as per our plan. We can make it different also as per the requirement. I am the scenario which I am telling in which I am keeping as 10 levels 4, grace days 3, interest indicator H2 H2 hour, right? delete this item indentation indicator. We will use same item indentation indicator, right? Which we used to calculate for that delay, right? Same I am calculating.
Uh-huh.
We can take public holiday calendar IN. Suppose if you are configuring this for US other country, we need to take this public holiday calendar as per that country. Okay. So for India, I'm selecting this one IN. Standard transaction dunning checkbox select reference data here. I am giving same LDPR, and then save it.
Hmm.
Why? Okay. Skip this message. Keep this message. Okay. And now save this one. Save. Dunning level data has still not been entered. Why it is not been entered? We have given, right? Number of Dunning levels 4. We have given. Why it is not been entered? It is telling. No problem. We proceed. Save. Save this one and click on Dunning level. Click on Dunning levels, because Dunning level next step we need to do. You can please see the screen also, and we need to click on Dunning levels. Click on Dunning levels. Okay. Now you see why it is how system. Please see the screen. How system is calculating. We have defined in the system how many levels? 4.
Four.
And grace days 3, right?
Yes.
3, 13,
And 10 days.
43.
Right.
Yeah, and 10 days
Correct.
is the interval. So it is correct only.
Hmm.
Let's suppose,
Yes.
let me come back and give me here 20 days and make it here 6.
5
And
days.
okay, let us give 5. Okay, now create.
Huh. Correct. 3 days.
No,
No, no,
it will be
it's
20
not.
only, right? You getting my point?
But corresponding, it is taking 20.
Hmm?
33, 53, it is taking 20.
But why this is not taking 20?
Uh,
This is
28
this,
something.
this is dunning interval in days. So for 10 days it is taking that like that. Let me give 12 days. Okay.
सेव नहीं करे ना इसलिए क्या
Hmm? Oh,
when we
oh,
are
oh.
changing
Yeah, 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 yeah. 20 save नहीं किया ना. You are right. We need to save, right? Then only changes will be applicable. If without saving, how changes will be applicable? Correct only. So let's save. No, no, no. Save. But why it is saved completely?
फिर भी नहीं लिया ना
Maybe no, it is not taking. So why it is not taking? Dunning interval in days. For 10 days it is okay only. But
hmm.
against that it is suppose 5 days. If I am coming 5 days, but Dunning 5 days it is levels correct only. Levels correct only, right?
correct correct
But for Dunning, let me take 5 days. Then it is taking like this only. If I am making it 4, Dunning levels. Now it is correct. For 10 days it is correct. For 20 days it is not correct. Maximum 9 we can go, right? We can go 9 maximum. So
this
what is
5
this what is this thing I understood. Now you guys understand. Uh, Up to 4 levels, it is by default 10 days will be the interval.
standard
That is standard. After 4 levels, it will be calculated as per the interval which we want to define. Okay. 5 days we are defining, right? So from fourth, it is showing 5 days, 5 days, 5 days, maximum 9 we can define. 9 it is taking us. 5 only, right? Yes, 5 days. If suppose I'm keeping as 2 days, let me give 2 days. So now see,
ఫోర్త్ డే వరకు 10 days స్టాండర్డ్ తర్వాత 2 days 2 days 2 days 2 days.
no, no, no. Why now? Why not 2 days? It is taking 2 days. It is taking, or I need to save. Just let me save this one. So this one 40, 45. 1 minute, I'm coming. So for 4 it is fine only, but after 4 means for 4 level it is 10 10 10 only, the standard only, right?
5 days it is taking.
But why 5 days now? We have changed to 2, right? Suppose 8 days I'm giving, let's suppose 20 days. Okay, now let us check. Now it has taken 5 days default and saved something. So let us save this one first, not an issue. This is also default only. It's like that. See,
एक बार 10 days नहीं नहीं केपी 10 days interval एक बार we'll check whether it is standard अभी.
standard only ना. देखिए 10 days also
So
will.
after today 5 days is a standard I guess.
Then why they have given this? Then what is the use of this, right? बोलिए. Then what is the use of this dunning interval in days? Because if they are treating in standard only
Actually, don't give anything and execute. We'll see how it is given. Just enter the
levels.
dunning levels.
Okay,
Interval must be at least 1 day.
okay. It is taking 5 days.
One was in 5 days.
Why? So then this is not correct only, right? Then there is no use of this field, right? But 20
Hmm.
days I notice 20 days it was calculating. If I remember, it was showing 20 days. You guys please remember 20 days it was showing. Mm, so if I will keep here 5 levels, running levels, 5 only, and it is taking 5 days only. No. So now let us move. No problem. Let us move with our scenario 4 and number
And
of
then
days 3. No, in like this one is as per
one.
standard only we will proceed. Number of turning interval 10 days, number of level 4, then grace 3, index indicator x2, public holiday this one, and this is LDPR. Save, save this one, and then click on dunning levels. Click on dunning levels. Now what is happening? This one 4 only, right? 4, then 3, x2, save. Save and come back again. But it is not changing to 4. Why? What happened to this one? Let me change something. Dunning level 4 not maintained. Old dunning level is saved.
Yes.
Why? See, something old is saved. You have changed it without maintaining the data for new dunning level. The system retains the old dunning level when dunning is saved. Maintain the dunning via maintain the dunning level via go to dunning level and resave it. Go to dunning level, resave it. Go to dunning level and resave it.
Save.
No, no, no. No need to save. We will not save right now. So this is as per our scenario. Now click on charges. Write down. Now please write down. You guys have written dunning
Mhm.
travel index 10, dunning levels 4, line item grace days 3, interest indicator X2. Okay. Public holiday INC. These are all the things you guys have written.
Yes, yes.
Now please click. After that, click on dunning levels. Click on dunning levels, and here write down this thing. Dunning level 1, 2, 3, 4. Days in arrears 3, 13, 23, 33. This please write down and calculate interest. We'll calculate from third and fourth. We will calculate
Mm-hmm.
third and fourth.
Okay.
Okay. So now you know. Just a minute. We will do not an issue. Here now it has come 4, right?
Mm.
4. Sorry. Go to. Now see 20 only, right?
Correct.
Up to 4 levels, 10 days will be there by standard. After 4 to 9 levels, now it is calculating as per the grace days. So okay, so I'm giving it 20 and now I'm proceeding. So it is clear now. So okay, so after that you guys please write down this days in arrears and calculate
Then
interest third and fourth, and
Understand?
then
go to the kill changes.
print parameters.
Done.
Also select this one, print parameters, always done, always done, and print all items, these two. Click on charges, click on charges, give your currency INR, give your currency INR. Okay, what is dunning charges we want to calculate? Miscellaneous charges, printing, courier, these charges. Okay, so dunning charge in the first level I want to charge 150 rupees. What percentage we can also give. In the second level we want to charge 180 rupees. In the third level we want to charge 210 rupees. In the fourth level we want to charge 250 rupees. Okay, and click on minimum amounts. After that, click on minimum amounts, give currency INR. Click on minimum amounts, give currency INR. Okay, so we want to calculate interest. So from third level we tick the checkbox, right? From third and fourth. So here we will give percentage or amount we can give. I will give percentage 12%. Enter. Minimum percentage minimum percentage, not amount I'm taking. Okay, and then click on dunning text. Click on dunning text. Here give company code li01. Select radio button customer. Select radio button customer. Then click on new company code. Then click on new company code. Give company code li01. Okay, now dunning by dunning area we want, and separate notice per dunning level. Select these two. and save. Save this one. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save 2 times. Then save in our TR. 2 times save. 2 times save. Save in the TR. And then click on dunning text again. Click on dunning text again. Okay. Again, company code and customer. Click on continue. Click on continue. Normal dunning procedure 1. Okay. This one. So for L1, we want to select delete domestic customers. Standard form is there for dunning printout. F150 DUNN underscore 01 for second level. For L1 only, same. For third only, fourth also. Third, fourth, L1, L1. Okay.
Yeah.
Press back button and save it. Press back and save it. Save in the TR. Dunning procedure saved. Now all the things we have configured. Now give next hard configuration. Give next hard configuration. Okay. Define interest rates. Define interest rates. Hard configuration. Define interest rates. T code is OB42. T code is OB42. Okay. T code is OB42. Here click on new entries. Click on new entries. Give here interest indicator, which is in our case X2. Currency INR. We want to valid from, let us make it valid from 1st of April 2024. Debit and credit, let you have mentioned 12%. Debit percent, credit percent, 12%. And then save.
Transaction.
And then save it. Save in our TR. Okay. So this one is done. Now we have configured the all configuration for dunning.
Credit percentage is 10%, right?
No, we defined 12 only, right? In dunning procedure, that is interest.
Okay.
That is item interest calculation. But in dunning procedure, we have defined 12%. Let me show you. FBMP. I'm coming now this time by FICO. Delete LDPR. Dunning levels. Minimum amount. INR. See, in dunning procedure, we
Okay.
have defined 12. That was in item interest calculation, previous calculation. But
Okay.
it's that another topic. Okay, so here, this is we have configured. Now let us create, or we can do in the existing customer also, but let us create a new customer with dunning procedure. Okay. In customer master, we assign the dunning procedure. To do the interest calculation for customer, we need only what? We need only interest indicator, which we did in the previous topic. Okay. But if we want to calculate the dunning, okay, then we need to assign the interest indicator also and dunning procedure also in the customer master. Two things. Then only dunning can be no generated. Dunning letters will be generated. And okay. So please give heading. Create a customer master with the dunning notice with dunning procedure. create customer master with dunning procedure. LSCS. Delete service customer. I'm selecting account group. Go to FD01. Go to FD01. Select LSCS. Delete service customer. Okay, we'll create this cluster now. So
Customer creation, 5001.
FD01. So name Jiddu Mahatma Trading Company. Okay, and in the search JMTC. JMTC. Now please mention the this address details. Street 4, Street 4, house number 106, 106, Street 4, Bank Street. This one postal code, city Hyderabad, country IN, region Telangana 36, and this one, okay, PO box, okay. So all that same details we are like here we are doing the same thing which we used to do earlier. Okay, then click on company code data. Okay, click on company code data and give here reconciliation account 250200, sort key 031, cash management group E1, interest indicator we need to give here what X2. Okay, then click on payment transaction, terms of payment L001, credit memo payment L001. Okay, now the new things, very new thing we have come here. Now this is the very new correspondence. Click on correspondence tab. Here dunning procedure we need to define. Ready? Yeah, dunning delete procedure for domestic customers. Okay, after that you see dunning area button is there, right? So click on dunning area. So dunning area we have our domestic customers. We have for export also, but we want to do it for domestic customers only right now. So I will select dunning area from F4, delete domestic customer F this one, and then enter and save. So they will ask like how dunning will work in the interview. So we need to say first configuration should be there, and then dunning these two things in payment transaction. Interest indicator should be assigned, right? And then in the correspondence tab, dunning area should be defined. Dunning procedure should be defined, and then dunning area also. Then dunning will be calculated for this particular customer, right?
Okay.
FD03, I will display that Jiddu Mahatma customer, internal, sorry, okay, Jiddu Mahatma, 62 series, at last, 5. This is our customer which we have defined right now with dunning procedure, okay. Now, let us post one invoice, okay. Let us post one invoice. Suppose on 11th, let us post for on 7th one invoice. Then 3 day will be gap, our grace days. 8th, 9th, 10th will be grace days. On 11th, first dunning letter will be generated. Okay, which a company will send to the customer. So invoice I'm going to create on 7th, right? 3 days will be grace. Fourth day will be first dunning letter will be generated. So let us
Yeah.
do the invoice posting for this customer. Jiddu Mahatma, relation
Okay.
50, 70.
Yeah.
So date is very important. 07. Okay. 1 lakh. 320100. Again 1 lakh. Business area. Profit center. Okay. Now click on details tab. In the past, one more. Click on details tab. And here dunning area, you can see for which one we want, L1 or L2, this customer, this invoice,
Domestic.
L1 domestic.
Hmm.
So in the interview, they will ask. So we need to inform them in master level, in master data level, two places: dunning indicator and dunning procedure and dunning area. And in the invoice level, also in details tab, we are assigning this dunning area. Okay. So these two things we need to tell if they they can ask in the interview.
It's Dunning key and Dunning block. What is it?
Dunning key and dunning block. Okay. So this one, what is this dunning? But dunning key and dunning key we did not define, right?
Okay.
Dunning key we did not define, and dunning block. Let us see this one. If you want to block a particular dunning, that time it should. But right now we want to do the dunning, right? So that is why
Yeah.
these two we can skip for now. So now simulate this one and post. Okay. So now let us see the report. It should be overdue. FBL1N. Jiddu Mahatma is our customer. FBL, sorry, 5N. Customer report. Jiddu Mahatma. Okay. And this one is overdue only. Right. So now let us run the dunning. So please give next heading. Run dunning process. Run dunning process. T code is F150. T code is F150. Okay. T code
Yeah.
is F150. Or we can come by path also. So right on the path, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, AR, accounts receivable, periodic processing, and then F150 dunning. Periodic processing F150 dunning. Now see the screen. It is looking similar, little bit kind of APP, right? But it is different. Okay. Run on. We want to run on today's date only. Today's date is 11th May 11/05 2024. Indication Dilip DUN. I'm giving like as according to me. Okay. Then see, click after giving these two things, run on date identification, click on parameters tab. Okay, click on parameters tab. Here, dunning date, I will give same today's date, running up to today's date only, company code LI01, okay, customer Jiddu Mahatma, control Z, 62000005, okay, click on additional log, click on additional log tab, here also same customer, 62000005, Jiddu Mahatma, and save. Now see parameters were entered. Please see parameters were entered, right? Now click on schedule. Please see the screen. Parameters were entered. Now click on this window, click on this schedule. Click on this schedule button. Okay, clockwise, looking like clock. Click on schedule button. Okay. Here run date, start date, run date, today's date only. Okay. And now it is showing time. We can skip that. Start immediately. Tick this one. Output device LP01 and then click on schedule. Please write down these details. Start date, start time, start immediately tick, output device LP01, then click on schedule, click on schedule. Now please see below, it took 2 seconds, 1 to 2 seconds to, earlier it was showing 0, now it is one notice generated, now it is showing one dunning notice generated, of which one are to be sent, which has to be sent, okay. So now, correct, you can write down this one, dunning select, now it is complete.
Okay.
Now click on Dunning printout. Here, Dunning printout is there, right? In the header, click on Dunning printout. Okay, give her a start date, start immediately, and output device LP01. Start date, start immediately checkbox tick. Output device LP01, and then click on print. Now please see, Dunning printout is complete. One Dunning notice printed, customer one. This also please write down. Okay. Dunning printout is complete. One dunning notice printed. Customer one. Click on sample printout now. Click on sample printout. Click on sample printout. Now here, start date 11/5/2024. Start immediately. Start immediately tick. Number of sample printout. Make it one. Customer, give our customer Jiddu Mahatma 62000005. Okay, and print immediately we have already. Okay, now this much only. Start immediately, then click on print button, click on print button. Now see, sample printout is complete. This message will come, sample printout is complete. Please write down this also, sample printout is complete.
Yeah.
Then please see the screen also. Click on individual dunning notice. Write down. Click on individual dunning notice. Okay. Here give our company code LI01. LI01. Select print overview. Give output device. Give dates also, run on dunning date, today's date only. Okay. Output device LP01 preview, and then at last click on printout. At last click on printout.
Mm.
Click on printout. Then this small message is coming. Should printout be run? We need to click on yes. Should running printout be run? Write down. Click on yes. Then click on continue. Click on yes. Then click on continue. Then click on continue.
Mhm. Okay.
Then cancel it.
Huh?
After that, go to Dunning history. Then go to Dunning history. Click cancel button, and then go to Dunning history. Okay. Here give account type D. Account type D. Company code LI01. Customer Jiddu Mahatma 62000005. Okay.
Okay.
Then click on execute. Okay. Place the cursor on LI01. Place the cursor on LI01, and then click on display Dunning notice.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Please make a correction. Place the cursor on this below line 11.5 LDUN, this one. Place the cursor on this one below one LDUN 01, and then click on display Dunning notice.
Okay.
Then select select this one. Okay, and click on preview. Select this one. Means how we can select? Just simply come and click on below one. Okay, Dunning line, this document number. Okay, and then click on print overview. Now please see, our first letter is ready. First Dunning notice is ready.
Customer
Okay, Jiddu Mahatma, right? Company Jiddu Mahatma Trading Company. Okay, this is address detail. First Dunning, first your account with us. This is SAP customer account. Okay, posting are considered up to including this one. Now you see the details. If you have paid the amount due in the all details, Dunning charges only 150 included. Total due 1 lakh 150. Right.
Yes.
Now let us do the second letter. Let us do the printout of second letter. Okay.
Okay.
So come back. Then we need to run the Dunning when? Which date? 10 days, right?
10 days.
So I have run first one on 11th. So then it will be 21st, right? Next one. Okay. And then individual running notice. See, I will change the date from 11 to 21. Okay. For second letter, I want to see, click on individual. Okay. So see, for second letter, if I want to see, so we can simply come and click on individual Dunning notice. Okay. And here I will give the company code LI01. I will make it 21, 21, 21, and print out. Yes, print, same process.
Print.
Cancel it. Running history. D means either we can run also and li01 customer execute 21
Well, done. Display.
display this one below
Done.
one print preview and second
Oh,
notice.
So this is ready to send or it already sent?
No, it is ready to send. It means it has to be sent through email or through any means it can be sent. So same
How to
way,
send that from this step?
uh, by mail
same.
we can send. We can, yeah, we can save the printout. Like we can save that
Achha.
printout and we can send through, whether by courier we can send, if hard copy we can send, or by email we can send.
Okay.
Both ways we can. Now third level, let us see third level. I will click on individual selection. 21, 31, right? 31, third level, 31, 31, and then company code li01, print out, save, continue,
Cancel.
cancel, and then running history, D,
Later
li01, third one 31st, third notice, it should have interest also.
Correct.
But where is the interest?
210.
No, that is running charge. See,
Uh,
you getting my point? What I'm trying, running charges is coming okay only, but from the third level we wanted to calculate 12% interest. You can see, okay. You, so see this one, since you have not reacted, so calculating for items due. See here, from the third level support order, legal notice will be taken. This is the means kind of intimation company is sending. Like legal notice will be sended and will be taken. Okay. So, but this thing here should to happen, right? This. So see, let us run one by one. And fourth one will be when? 11th, right?
10.
11/6. Fourth dunning.
11th.
Let us do the printout of that also. Okay.
11th June.
11th June, right? 11th June, fourth one. 11th June, print out. Yes. Continue. Cancel. Running history. D. LI01 customer. Execute. 11th June. Display dunning notice. This one. Print preview. This is our final one. Now please see. Both. This
okay,
is,
right,
see
sir.
the format. Areas and these all details. Now dunning levels, legal dunning proceedings, insurance, all the details it is okay, like that it is showing.